Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website, after querying for Plesk panel, I have to download the website files. How we can download the website files and using Plesk panel option. Log into Plesk panel. The all files will be option name is called files option. Into the files option, what are the files you downloaded? Select the all files and here click the option name is called more. It is called archive is there. Here is option name is called add archive. Which option? Add archive. In our cPanel and Plesk panel, lot of difference. Add archive. What are the file name you have? GTS. Just I'm give one file name is called GTS. This will be convert into GIF format. The convert into GIF format. GTS converted. How to download? Go to right click option. Click for download. So what are the format? Everything will be, all format will be uploading and downloading always GIF format. Use the GIF format and upload and download on your particular Plesk panel option. If any further question on Plesk panel related, please contact our channel and definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.